Hey folks, hey, this is Mike again from Rural Tech Tips. Just wanted to put another video out, just I give you a little tip on how to make an intro using PowerPoint. So there's a couple tricks that I'd like to show you in here. One is just doing some transitions from slide to slide, doing that automatically, and also show you how to do some animation in your video just to make things a little cool, adding some music into the video. And then the final step is saving this as an MPEG-4 video that you can use in your YouTube video. So I hope you enjoy it, and we'll get right into it. So let's get into it. We're going to do a quick intro using PowerPoint as a solution. So right now I've got PowerPoint opened up and I've got a just a blank slide here, and I just wanted to walk you through what I did in order to create my intro and outro. Very simple, straightforward, so let's get right into it. So the first thing I did is I just took this junk out right here. Really don't need that. I used 3 different slides. I'm just going to copy that one and then just put 2 more in. So on this first slide, in the last slide, what I'm going to do is just make the background. I'm going to turn it black. Format the background. Change the color to black. Do the same down here on this one. Change the color to black. Another thing that I would like to show you is this is where I inserted some music that I downloaded, and make sure that when you're grabbing music that music is royalty free, which you can get right from YouTube. In fact, this one song that I found was part of one of the YouTube songs that you can get for making your own creations. Not a song that I got from a YouTube channel, but a song from YouTube. So let's go ahead and insert that song right now. Go over here and insert audio. So audio on my PC. So I grabbed, let's go with this Easy Stroll. So now that's on there, and do a fade in after a certain amount of time, and say start it automatically, and play across the slides. And we're not going to make this a really long video, so we don't have to loop in until it's stopped. So on this next slide, this is where I'm going to put my intro slide. So what I did is I've got a picture that that I thought was really cool, one that I took, so I don't have to worry about royalties. So let's see. I've got this neat little picture here that I've got, and what I did is just made it big enough to fit in there, and then I just cropped that picture to where it fits in the slide. I know I probably don't have a perfect way of doing this, so I'd appreciate any kind of comments that you have in the feedback. If there's a better way that you can do it, this is just the way I did it, so it really doesn't matter too much how we do it. So I just thought it was a cool picture, so I just put that in there. So next thing I did is I just and just left it like that. So now what I'm going to do is insert some pictures. So I'm going to grab some online pictures. What I'm going to do is for like. Make sure you've got this Creative Commons only on here, because that way it gives you the license to go ahead and put that on there. So you can put something like this. And let's say if you wanted to insert another picture, it was share. Actually, this one that I grabbed was like and share, so hey, why not? So we'll put that in there too. Then I'm going to insert a little bit of text. Say rural tech tips. And let's just make that pretty big. Actually, first we'll make the font color a little bit different so it stands out better. Just go with a gray, and we'll make the font size pretty big. We don't have to get too fancy, but you can set the font to something cool like that. There we go. You can also do something like thank you for visiting my channel. Enjoyed my content. Please like, share, and just do the same thing here. Just set the font and the font size. And that fits pretty good. Let's also make that font color. And left just fine. Now, what's cool is you can set some animations. So first, want to do a little bit of transitions. So I'm going to leave this on for a duration of just a short period of time, and we're going to do, say, after a second, transition into the next slide. And this one here, we'll leave this on for about seconds, and after. do is we can do all of these nifty little transition things, like we can do a reveal, just like that. Cool. Now last would be right here. Give that for short duration. Fade. And we'll fade this one. Okay. Let's do a couple other fancy things. So that was transitions. That transitions those slides automatically from one slide to another. So let's do a little bit of animation. So let's do some just a little bit of interesting things, like we'll do a fade in of that, and we'll leave that to a we'll delay about a second, and then we'll do a quick fade, and we'll do that after previous. And we'll do the same thing with this one. Do a fade in, and we'll do a delay of about a second. Do the same thing here. Fade in, and delay of a second, and then we'll do the same thing here. Fade, delay about a second. Now the last thing that you'd want to do, now that you've got it all created, let's go ahead and save this presentation and call it something like intro. Okay, now that we've got that saved, now the next thing that we will want to do, and this is the very cool part, and why you want to have some of this stuff, you want to have this stuff set on automatic instead of on click. So let's do a save a copy. And this time, instead of doing it as a PowerPoint, we're going to do this as an MPEG for video. There we go. Now let's and save that. So there you have it. Now we have the video saved. Let's go ahead and watch it. So there you have it. Pretty simple process. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, please like, share, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and hit that bell notification. And if you'd like to see further videos like this, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you're struggling with. So hope you all have a great day. Thank you.